kumba shispa Laitkam kipos hapo MPSC khublei shibun pibro session part kijing tip namta khwor Laitkam hapo MPSC MEGHALAYA Public Service Commission te Laitkam kumba shispa Laitkam total baro te gumon tam kade jong LDA kidon hando kandai pesan Tylli kipos balai te yang ini page mentai jon kam hebde bat kine ki kam kibalai te kene advertisement lapan mi pratri gumi arja absan te baro kipos MPSC te apply online te siapan apply online lang ba website recruitment.nic.in. Last date nam takane online application will be received up to 17 hours on the 9 June. Last date nam ta ban apply kini post kandai tarik jong panai June arjar posan kan mau ha. And no application will be entertained after the closing date. The candidate are requested to check and update their profile before applying. Kan mau banda apply, show within apply, banda check banda update profile yang pi, banda add ke kelas, ne banda add ke certificate komputer ne gino ro hapo ka MPSC. The examinations that are shilong tura jawai bil menega nostan. Ta. And kaneka post komanikong name of post scientific officer for chemistry division under directorate of forensic science. Kaneka rantang kawe jong khasi mo kane. Tikine kibala on apply kaneka level 15 kibala apply gede MSc in chemistry, MSc in forensic science with honors in chemistry at a degree level, forensic science at a degree level. Tang kita ar kibala on apply kaneka rantang kawe ke post. Kaneka ar kaneka level 15 assistant engineer group B in office of chief engineer water resource department. Level 15 of revised pay structure, BE, BTEC Civil, BSc Engineering Civil, BSc Agri Engineering with relevant subject, BTEC Agri Engineering with relevant subject, BTEC Water Resource Engineering. Kaneda san Tylli ki post, R Tylli jong khasi, Lai Tylli jong garo category. And kababun tam enabaro kadai lower division assistant under the MEGHALAYA Secretariat. Kene kiri babun tam nabaro LDA level 8 of revised pay structure. Kibala apply gide ke pass graduate in any stream from any recognized university in India. Tekidon ki post ki on field vacancy. Ini ki ban kong on field vacancy you are likely khasjentia away garo kawai ni sports person ak to port sam pandabre jong garo akturu asli sport person te inyo Tylli kidai ki bom bal ara adu naga next recruitment nomor amlawan pendam te ki post ki bathamai ki don adu prapsan Tylli ma kini ki bathamai te plus barim long no dai for ar Tylli te hangne ki bathamai khas jentia UR category don khat ar Tylli khas jentia live Tylli ka hakane live Tylli la habat kawai ka post PWD bar kawai ka post sports person. And garo category lifestyle hangne la include bar kawai ka post yang PWD kawai ka post yang sports person bar namta ki STSC South Tylli kawai ka post yang PWD dan tu baro long prapsan Tylli te hangne total baro long khdai ar post baro tang ka LDA ma mut ba UR kan wan khadar like so khatsan Tylli UR khasjen tia kan lifestyle life rew garo dan lai Tylli teng garo lifestyle life new Tylli ki post jong garo baru kena ar Tylli ya ki bakwa on apply as dang no apply ter wanam up ya kelas date wanam buteng kanang marbapun ke website teng gara thut teng kindo ki daw de nakwa apply pya apply no kolai but kene ka post kan mafo draftsman grade 2 group C in the office of the chief engineer water resource department kene level 7 essential given the ITI certificate in civil draftsman from government recognized institution. Nipan bagi bedap ITI. Kene bere kadon Tylli post khasientia Lai Tylli jongaro baro long san Tylli ki post. Te baro idon kumba shispa Lai Tylli total baro ki post babun tam de jong LDA kumba khandai pho Tylli te bako apply te sale no kloi. Kan mau ke age te kadai be khat pra du life news name bat kat la khain lang bat ka operation mit te kadai be khat pra du life news name nam ta ki SC/ST candidate te ki shimbe na do age calculate ki de na do shitarik January arjar option kenya ka snem ado shitrik Januari arja apsano rimdan hakate khatpra shanang ben te kabai pus kawai na dapai namta ka pus number 1 ba number 2 khamrem ka dei saus pa andru phau te namta SCST kan wan ars pa lai phau ko pus mark to di level 15 la kham he hi pus per la kham he and serial number 3 kane jong LDA kan wan shispa nyo phusan kane jong ka draftsman kane shispa andru phau te lala phi apply tang kawai te kan long bach spa nyusan apply bro lai tali te kan kham rem hi te akan jong qualification te tangi ta ki jing pentip te detail bro adon bi hapo ka website jong ka MPSC ki jingdan kam ke bro te namta kine abhidan kam bach ban apply dan kam bach kitu ki ada ban register lupa jong ka DSC lan MPSC uju be login ID should login pendap ki pus siu pisa ada tang goi nakaleng ka jonga long ba yele bandom siu long ba ka UPI nomor ba ndap la siu ru pinsa la sa dok ka pisa tang ba bun ba ka fill kidon ki balong ru tang ba don ki por ba ka fill te pinom yo sho ka pisa kan simpor pi haban pha image ban lege ban yo beng pisa te ka kham simpor tekan mau ki exam ta kini don kam baik English general knowledge datin ta kana ban kong ka forensic science degree level nam ta ka assistant engineer ka juhi don kam na ta ka English general knowledge English agricultural engineering ter dan nam ta ka LDA ka general English general awareness and aptitude tang kita hin draftsman general English general knowledge but civil draftsman then ala phi pass makane phi poi haga personal interview ta kan nahi khublei shibun